How to fix AEG washing machine error code E20. So the E20 indicates a pumping or drain fault which is caused by either a blocked filter, a kinked hose, blocked drain pipe, or really a faulty pump. So the first thing you need to do is unplug the machine from power. Once you have unplugged the machine from power, place towels and a shallow bowl under the front bottom panel to catch water, and then your next step would be to clean the drain pump filter. As we know, cleaning the drain pump filter is most likely the easiest fix. All you need to do is open the small access panel at the bottom front. It's usually on the right side or on the left, and then simply empty out the water into a bowl. So unscrew the filter cap counterclockwise, that's this filter cap here, and then clean out the lint, coins, or debris, and then rotate the impeller with a pencil, that's this, and then check if there are any blocks, and then rinse it with water, and then reinstall this back here tightly. And then inspect the drain hose at the back and ensure it isn't kinked, bent, or crushed. And if it is, just straighten it out fully. The hose should be inserted no more than 10 centimeters into the standpipe or sink drain. And then the outlet height should be between 60 to 100 centimeters from the floor for proper siphon action. And then proceed to check the sink drain. So just test the sink or the drain it's connected to, and then run water through the sink drain, that's your sink drain, to ensure it's not blocked. And then you can also wipe the door seal and the inside drum to remove any debris, and then you can now run a hot empty wash cycle without detergent to flush the entire system. And then once you've done this, you can now simply reset it and test it again. If you have any other issues, contact the AEG support for help. Thank you.